Now you threw me off.
Let him know. Let him know what you got going on in your life,
I
man.
can't do it now, right now. Don't do it yet. You threw me off course.
You don't got a choice.
Huh?
You don't got a choice.
Yeah, I do. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, The Outdoor Hustle. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, like the video. Let's get back to it.
Looking good, feeling good.
Looking good, feeling good, man. Yeah, for sure. Where's he going?
He's on the phone.
Oh, yeah. Alright. We're doing a pull. You want to see it? Check it out.
What's going on, man? What we got going on?
A whole lot of getting.
Well, I can't go on YouTube.
No.
Better get used to it, man.
Guys are just finishing up a little bit. They're gonna go to lunch. Give me a second to go back there and show off what we've been doing. Check it out.
All right, we're out in Harrison at a pool project. Originally, this was gonna be concrete, but customer decided to change it to pavers. Yes, a big job. Not looking too bad. Big retaining wall here. Goes around the entire pool pretty much. Some big stones here kind of accent this landscape a little bit. Got little two-stepper, some lights in there. It's gonna look real nice at night. Continuing the boulders over here, separate the landscape a little bit. We got 3 big retaining walls. Like I said, wrapping around the entire project. I think we'll be doing some grading back here, make the yard look a little bit nicer. But yeah, I think we're wrapping this one up this week for sure. First pool project completed in 2026. Just launched our pool company, 513 Pool. Got a lot of projects in the works, a lot more coming. Stay tuned. Let's go back to the office.
John, what's the frost line?
3 foot. It's 3 foot.
3 foot. 3 foot. You sure?
I'm pretty sure.
He's pretty sure. Did I rope, Josh?
Frost line in Ohio.
14,550.
24 to 36 inches.
24 to 36 inches. That's right.
What's your name? Where are you from?
I'm John.
What's your favorite Pop-Tart?
I'm from Harrison, Ohio. Favorite Pop-Tart is the Wild Berry.
Ooh,
Yeah.
little throwback there. Love that. Give us a little rundown. What we got going on, John?
Planning production today. Just trying to get ahead of the game. Stay busy in wintertime. It's cold outside. Just trying to keep the ball rolling.
In our brand new office.
Yep.
Don't mind the construction.
Yeah, everything. We're just renovating, so we're trying to get carpet. We're painting all the walls, putting up lights and stuff. But if you want to come out, you can stop by. It's warm in here.
He's got to get better teams too. Welcome to the trap house.
Let the people know what's going on in here.
Yeah, we're in a trap house. We are reorganizing, refinishing, remodeling. Colors, you know.
Colors.
So
Colors.
tore out a
carpets.
wall right here. This is an old house, and we're renovating it into an office. So right now it's pretty bad. Hopefully in the next like 2 weeks it'll be looking
We're
better.
trying to make it something that we can be proud of.
Respectable, you know.
Respectable.
So
Right now, it is not bad.
right now it's real bad. Speaking of, we need to get Home Depot on this. How are they gonna send me? We got a quote for flooring this whole place. I told them to take off the bathroom, and they were adding a discount. So they resent me the quote. I called them. I said, take off the bathroom off the quote, and then they gave me a 10% discount because they had the flooring special going on. They resent the quote, and it was like $500 more. So
It's a great discount.
Who is it?
Just a sales guy.
What's up, Brandon?
I heard we got verbal yes on
Yes, sir.
a pool quote.
135.
Let's go.
Yeah.
So it's a verbal yes. What's gonna take us to
He just has to check with
Contract.
his builder.
his builder?
Yeah, because we're doing some concrete the builder was originally going to do.
So he's got a builder, and originally the builder was gonna do the concrete, but now he's wanting us to do the concrete.
There is right outside his back door. There was going to be burn finished concrete there, but it doesn't make sense to have him pour that and then us.
We're gonna do a pool deck. So.
Yeah, it's all going to be one together, so
Yeah.
it just makes sense to work together. Love the idea of having a pool, so. They
Sounds like they're
themselves weren't
looking
that
for an
convinced.
excuse to spend money, but they don't think it's worth it to have a pool.
They
That's
think
what
it's
sounds
worth
like.
it at 50,000.
Well, yeah, that just doesn't exist though. So yeah, it's
And he
not
had
worth it.
above ground before, and they have a nice property. It's beautiful, and I think he spent some money on the house and the barn and everything. But I don't think the value's there for him. So
At least we got 3 sold.
I did.
Just so everyone knows, we launched on 40 billboards in January, and it's still January. We've already sold 3 pools thanks to those billboards. So it's been going pretty good.
Yeah.
I'm excited. I think the billboards are going to take off even more the longer that they sit there. It's only been a couple weeks, so it's been great.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Because what we've been doing for the last 3 months is all of us been trying to have ideas and dream and all this other stuff rather than. So now I think me and Andre solely focus on the systems and we'll get something good going.
Yeah.
And I mean, he's already cooking on this already and it's pretty good.
You
so.
guys have all that and you have access to planner?
Yeah. Well, I don't know anything about planner and shit yet, and I don't know what the next move is, but I think planner is going to be more of like your personal way of doing your
Tasking jobs
job.
out.
It's your personal way.
Yes.
It might not be the way. It might be you and like a given Evan the to-dos, but I'm still, and you can still play around with it. But I'm just saying, let me and Andreas tackle into at least
Thank you.
from bidding to getting to production.
you.
And from there, that's when I'll come back to work with you and make sure we can. But we at least need to get the bidding to production in a really good way that's super smooth and clean.
Yeah.
And James, you have to change the sales to where, you're bidding by the day
Yeah.
and how many guys
Yeah.
and labeling out what it is. Just starting
So
with that.
we can't figure out labor on this thing because
Well, you're not
we just don't
automating
know.
that. There's no way.
I think you are.
That's gonna be-
I want to. I think we
I
can.
agree, but that's taking a lot of time.
I agree with
And
that.
I
you
just
can't
want a
guess
lot of
that.
I'm
You
not
can't
even
guess
saying,
that. It's a
I'm
lot
not
of
saying
tracking.
purely automated. I'm saying, is there a way, a labor?
Like a recommended
Is there
labor?
just a line item? Is all I'm asking.
Oh,
That
just
I can
to try to bid
on
the number
our
on there?
side. I'm trying to avoid the mental math and the mental now I have to go over to sheets to figure out
Oh,
the
not
labor.
go to sheets at all.
Yeah, exactly. If all my numbers in here, I
Yeah,
want
you
my
can
labor.
just type in labor.
I would hope so.
No,
That was
I
my
can-
question.
You
No,
can
I
make
can-
whatever you want.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can make whatever I want.
It doesn't have to be in the drawing. You can make a line item on there.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can
That's
do
the
that.
main thing.
Yeah.
You can add.
Is that everything's
Oh, thank
in our
you.
side? So
Yeah, but you're not gonna. But then you go to Java and type those.
Yeah, for sure.
Obviously.
Yeah.
This one's
You
almost
beat me
done.
up,
I got
bro?
gravel glue,
You better watch it.
and then I'm gonna also put the yards of soil like to be removed, just so that we know that, just as an information, not with no price attached to it. And what we should do is we should take like a wall that I built on here, and probably send it for just for a quote from Western Hills Builder Supply, and just make sure it matches.
Yeah.
Just make a fake wall.
Yeah.
Make a fake quote. Make
Yeah.
sure it matches, and if it matches, it's good to go. And we
Yeah.
can just
I
start
mean,
using it.
obviously, it's how Tony is fake too, so he's not wasting his time. Just say like, this is a whole new system.
Or we can just say bid this job and tell me what the price is, and I'll be
Let's
like,
just get a real. Let's just do a real wall. We've already got one.
Yeah.
Let's just repeat a real wall.
sure.
Yeah, and then we'll just use that. We could just do this one right here.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, that's
it.
what I was thinking. That's what this is.
Yep.
Oh,
This is
perfect.
that.
Well,
So
yeah.
all
what
we
are we
need.
thinking?
So I just need to know how big that wall is, which is
It was 55 foot
55.
something. Yeah.
by.
I mean, there's a real drawing for it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know, but it's not using this, so
Yeah, no.
we can just do this. 55 by 4 foot tall, I think. it is.
I think you're
I
right.
think the photo was better for you. No, 3 foot. It was 3 foot tall.
Oh yeah, you're right. It's tricky because I had to include, for some of this stuff, I had to include the pallets because I don't know how else we would do that. Hopefully I'm not missing the pallets on some of this because I I might be. Yeah, I think I am.
So all I need is glue, so we can.
Are the
actually-
numbers
we can
accurate?
make it
You get the wall drains too?
I gotta add delivery charge too.
What about inside,
Wall
outside
drain
corners?
faces.
Outside corners, I mean.
Yeah, I
outside
added something in there for that already.
corners. Oh.
It's its own thing. It's kind of.
Well, there's
it's
two
weird.
outside corners on there. That's
Yeah.
all.
There is.
Yeah.
All right. So what you do is, there's a shape that I made, James, for corners, and each corner is for 4 foot tall worth of corners. That's the only way that we could do this. It was this weird thing. So basically, what you
So
do
you
is,
divide it by 2.
I mean, just throw it in,
Or
and you're
just
talking
leave
about
it,
a couple
yeah.
blocks.
Yeah.
Just leave it
Leave
in,
it.
and then just.
Put 2
So
of them in there
you
for
may-
4 foot, you know?
It's 4 foot, so it's 3 foot actually.
So perfect, yeah,
So
you got a
you're
little
done.
buffer in there.
And then now when you estimate, now look, now it says total corners, order half left, half right. I just put that note in there, and it's 6 total corners. So you
Hey,
order 3 left, 3
By the
right.
way, don't be putting this name of this program, you know, giving the sauce away. I don't want nobody to know. This is a program that does a lot, but make sure the name's bleeped out. It's
Fine.
So how does the quote compare?
What'd you say? What was it?
Andre said this system's so intricate on the back end. He don't even think James can handle it.
I don't know.
I can't believe that.
You know what? It hurts my feelings so much you can do the whole thing.
It's interesting.
Competency.
I think you can handle it. I don't know.
I told you.
I think
What are
having
you
2
doing at?
people work on it is gonna be.
No, I don't think he didn't really think you couldn't handle it. I think
No, it's just if you.
I think it's it's a master key. I mean,
Yeah.
you got to make sure it's perfect.
I mean, let's just move to the next.
Can't be
and see
having
what-
those,
see how far we'll- AB
you know,
cat,
Brian mistakes
37,
on this. I'm just
49.
kidding.
They're 2.
Thank you guys for watching the video. Thanks for following along this process. Renovating the office. It's winter time. We're an outdoor renovation company. We're going to show you the ups and downs. We're going to give you everything fully transparent. Just come along for the ride. We'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.